you're talking to her. Hello. How are you? Hey, you have a sword ping? How about long dark? I got to do the job. Hello. Sira Loroba and the token, so I guess even by and cut. In multicultural in Australia, in can do a can look at New York. A women wing. A women wing in the hello. And they are proud of Australia. So, but Australia, you can manage to do. Permission, I keep teaching Nangakumo. I got every year like that. Guruma music at stop bad habits, that's good. Let me see that. Respect parents. God is center of life. Seva, selfless service. Can you take music? Tin nyal tin ko organ Maben Australia ke ika meno me changdu yen ga kor ka pinyo ga
सर्वे आज गुरु चरणों में शीश नमे आज हे दिव्य ज्योत सोहे छे आज के फूले फूले बधावो आज हिमालय प्रगट अक्षरधाम नाचो नाचो थई गुलकान
Hi. Forgive and forget. Forgive and forget and be generous at heart. Values, the best thing to spend on your children is time. Wow, I learned something out of that. The best to spend in your children's life is time. Dharma is that which promotes love for one another. That's good. Dharma is what promotes love for one another. In the joy of others. lies our own. Wow. I learned something out of this. Every year, good that this got me at home. Hello.
How are you?
Can you tell me something about the Babs on camera? Can you tell me why do you do it every year?
This one?
Yeah.
Actually, very like how many years ago that I don't know, but Lord Krishna,
Yeah.
they visited the whole city in India.
Yeah.
It's called Jagannath Puri,
Yep.
along with her elder brother and
Yeah.
her sister.
Yep.
So in the memory of that occasion, every year on the 2nd of the Ashadi Beach it is called,
Yep.
every year it is held in India.
Yep.
And whenever the Indians, like, they spread across the world,
Yep.
they celebrate anywhere.
What do we need to learn from it?
It's the
from
social
Thailand
harmony. It's the social harmony, bro.
and love for one another.
Yeah. Doesn't matter whoever he is, whatever he is, like rich, poor, anyone, they can enjoy this one. It's the love, harmony, and peace.
But what can you tell other people who don't celebrate their cultures? And
It differs. Like India is not a small country.
It's a big billion.
Like it's the Pakistan, Afghanistan, the present India, Bangladesh, and Burma. Even part of China.
Yeah.
It was the whole India and it's broken in the part. And
Yeah.
now at the present India.
Yeah.
So it was celebrated like throughout the India, this one.
Okay.
So like even someone doesn't, like if you don't celebrate, but if you want to join, you can
I've
come.
already celebrated now, and it's always happening every year on my street.
Yeah. Last year also we came,
Yeah, I
and that
was
gives
here
the
last
message of like the character,
Yeah.
the social harmony,
Yep.
and the family.
And there is the family matters. That's what I've just seen. Kids are there and everybody.
So that's the message from India. Like you know very well.
Oh, that's good. I can see mothers with kids here pushing.
You can see 3 generations.
The 3
Grandparents-
generations?
Yeah, grandparents, their children, and their kids are in the Bronx.
Oh, thank you so much. I learned something out of it. Thank you.
Thanks very much.
Guys, Angel Dubai. And thank you. Have a good. Hello. Angel Dubai, guys, and Kira Loin, Ruan to Ben Balangda. My children enjoy it. The kin Kipiato. Now by Bangdam and Kujali, Kwan Melang. This brought me to the topic by Anjam Tin sometime. Ajal Melang do Jal de Doro ya Kitchen te do Choy Nurat, Alala Kajo. Kajo, Queen and Nalan Bajam near Ku. I'll talk about it. So thank you for enjoying that. A traffic at Chichakach Balangdan. But at least they're happy. Thank you. Bye.